Congrats, Abdul, for your success.
Thank you, sir.
So, how was the journey with BRL?
It was great. It was great experimental with my life.
Okay.
Here only after, if I could not get that seat here, so I would not able to get a job in that IT sector.
Okay. So, how much salary you got?
I got 24 and a half.
24,500 per month.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your password here?
My password is 2013.
So, what were you doing all these years?
So in last after completing my BTech, I searched for IT jobs, so I could not crack that job.
Okay.
So after that, I got a job in KPO.
KPO. Okay, it's like kind of a BPO.
Yeah, BPO job. So
Okay.
I worked there about 1 year.
Okay.
So after that, I got a news about BRN.
Okay.
So after that, I joined here.
Okay. So how did you trust BRN? Because already you lost, being wasted.
Yeah.
Then how did you trust BRN?
So BRN is one type of life making those students who are struggling,
Okay.
those who are not able to get, those who don't have any skills.
Okay.
So from BRN only they can give that skills like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the major difference between a normal training organizations and a BRN?
Yeah, it is huge difference between normal training and BRN, because BRN giving 24-hour, we can say that 24-hour services like us. They will provide labs. Any help we need, we can ask to sir.
Okay.
We can, everything is there. Nothing is less. What we need at a time.
Okay.
So if we go to normal institute, so there is a sufficient time. They will give 1 hour system, 1 hour training. That's all per day.
Okay.
But here we are getting more than 8 hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever expected that you are going to get a job with 25,000 salary before completing the course?
No. In KPO only I was searching that if I got 15,000 job, 20,000 job, that will be great for me. But here after first call only I got that job.
Okay.
Yeah, 2.96.
Okay. So you have attended the first call, you have tracked that, and you got the first job.
Actually, I'm not getting that much of call. I got only one call from Noida.
Okay.
So I got that job only.
Okay. So what do you suggest to the people who are looking for bright careers?
Yeah, if any guys who are struggling, if they want to make their careers, they can get a chance to in BRN. They should get a seat in here. They should study here, and just use your time, and of course you will get success, 100% sure.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for feedback and all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir.
Congrats, Saidul, for your success.
Thank you, sir.
So what was your password here?
2013.
So what were you doing all these years?
Yeah, after passing my BTech, I go to Delhi.
Okay.
I went to Delhi.
Okay.
And I done a course, an automation course in Software India Private Limited.
Okay.
After completing the course, they are providing job and networking field.
Networking
Yeah,
field. Okay.
automation field. I do jobs 3 months, 4 months.
Okay.
But their increment is so slow, and fresher job 6,000, 7,000.
Oh, only 6,000, 7,000. Okay.
The hard working is too much.
Okay.
That's why we find searching in jobs in software field.
Okay.
On my best friends, he suggest to go software field, it is good for you.
Okay.
And then I saw BRN, I find it in Facebook.
Okay, you got BRN in
Yeah,
Facebook.
yeah,
Okay.
BRN Facebook. And I saw a lot of video on BRN.
Oh, even you have seen lot of videos.
YouTube. Maximum videos are Telugu, but some videos are given in English.
Okay.
Yeah, I understand. I watch the feedback also.
Okay.
Yeah, maximum person, 99% are given good feedback.
Okay.
Yeah, then I call BRN and Gopi sir.
Okay.
He suggest me, and I come in Hyderabad.
Okay.
And join the BRN.
Okay. Have you ever expected that you are going to give you a success video like this?
No sir, before joining we are not satisfied. I'm not sure what will be happen. I don't know.
Okay.
But after joining, I saw this is good institute compared to other institute.
Okay.
The other institute they are given 1 hour classes and 1 hour spectacle.
Okay.
And BRN they are given 2 hours, 3 hour classes, sir.
Okay.
And 8 hours, not 8 hours, enough than 8 hours.
Okay.
There are lab facility available. They are given dedicated system for one person.
Okay.
That is good, and we are searching in all these things. Find.
Okay. Okay. How much salary you got?
Yeah, 2.8.
2.8 lakhs,
Yeah.
24,000 per month.
Yeah, 24,000 per month.
Okay. Have you ever expected you are going to get a salary of 24,000 before completing the course?
No, sir. Before completing the course, I thought 10,000, 12,000 I got, but after completing course, I got 20,000. That's
Okay. What do you suggest to the people who are looking for bright careers?
Yeah, I suggest the people who are not getting the jobs, come and BRN and join the admission, and definitely success in life.
Anyways, thanks for your feedback and all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir.